Hello, welcome. My name is Manuel from Kata Studios. Today, I'm going to teach you how to log into your WooCommerce application so you can manage your inventory right from your phone. Okay, so for this, what we'll be needing is just the WooCommerce application, and bear it in mind, we have already set up this particular application. We have built the application from the WordPress backend and then integrated and connected it to your WordPress WooCommerce application account. Also connected that account to your WooCommerce account, which is your website. So this is syncing properties or syncing content from one platform to the other. So now basically the application has multiple more responsibilities which we are going to be talking about. We can control content directly from there without visiting the website. So to get logged in, all you need to do is to download the WooCommerce application. To get that, get to the Play Store or App Store and search for Woo. Just type WOO. Okay, and wait for a while. You see WooCommerce, click on it and download the application, which is this. And once it's downloaded in your desktop or in your screen of your PC, just click on the application. It opens the interface. You can allow notifications so that each time a new sales is made, you will get automatic notification letting you know who purchased, and then you can complete that particular purchase from the application too. So this application comes in very handy. As you can see, you can edit new products, you can manage and edit orders on the go, and you can track your sales and high-performing products directly from this application. So you know the product to actually purchase more or the product to purchase less. So now, since we have created and connected this application with our WordPress website, all we need to do is to hit on the login, because we're not starting a new store. We have already built our store, as you can see. So click on login, and here you're going to fill in the website name. Mind you, this is just the website name, not the website login link like WordPress dashboard login link. No, just the website name. Okay, so you may not even need to add the www or https or whatever. Just put the website name .com or whatever extension it is. Like this is .shop. That's the website extension. Then hit on continue. So what it's going to do now is it's going to determine or trying to populate and determine whether this website is actually connected. Okay, we add in our email address from here, info@thebodyng.shop. Okay, so this is the email address. We press on continue. So here we input our password. So we hit on continue. So now it's going to populate the informations and our store will automatically start syncing. Very easy as that. There is no big deal. Our store is synced. So from here we can see our product. You see it from the bottom part. You can see product. You can click on that. You see, we see all our recent products. Now, we don't even need to approve anything from here. As you can see from the email, we didn't even approve anything. We don't even need to approve anything from this end. It is set automatically for us because it's synced and it confirms that our details are there. But if in case you need to confirm anything, you also need to know that you need to go to your email and do justice to that. Okay, so now we have the latest product. As you can see from the desktop or what we have here, let me click on that so you can open. That is exactly what we have in the store right now. Okay, so to confirm if this app is actually working, we are going to be changing the price of this product from $970 to, let's change it to 10,000. Okay, that's 10,000. Then we click on done. Okay, when you click on done, click on save. It will save the product, and we're going to refresh this page to see if it applies in our main website. You see it automatically. There is no big deal. You don't even need to wait a second. Everything is applied. So we get back and we switch our price to $9,700. Okay, click on done and we save it again, and we refresh the page and we are good to go. So you can control things like the details, like let me just add Kata at the end of the product name, and we hit on save and refresh, and we see that Kata is added there. So you can manage micro features like this in your store, and used to set up all of these informations. They are very important. So scrolling down, we can also manage the description from here. If you want to modify the description of your store, remember, whenever you click on done, also click on save. You can also manage the review from here, the shipping weight, we can control shipping weight from here. If the product weight is 0.5 kilogram, you can do that from here. You can also confirm that from the store right from here. So we are going to do that and refresh and see how that works. So we are going to move this from 0 to 5 kilogram and we save. Then we refresh again. Perfect. So when we hit on that, we see that it is now on 5 kg. 0.5 kg, not 5 kg, it's 0.10 kg, that is 1 kg. So we move it back to 2 and we are done and we save our work. Fine. Every other thing works perfectly well. So here is the inventory for stock keeping. SKU, you can modify that from here. You can manage your stock from here. Select what quantity you want this particular product to get to. Then it can alert you that product is out of stock. Limit one per product. We don't use this. We actually used limit 3 per product because this is a little more advanced feature. WooCommerce don't have this feature and we have to include it here. So we are done with it. I'm just trying to show you around what's available. Okay, you want to let yourself know when a product is out of stock, can use that inventory. Then categories, we can set categories automatically. Maybe this product belongs to a certain category and we actually didn't set it. We can do that right from here. We can set as multiple category and you can see that we have subcategories applied to this same product. So we can say, okay, this is a body care product, but it's a body oil for body care product. It's a body oil. You can do that right from here. Okay, you can discard the changes. And then the next thing we can do is the short description. The short description is this one that appears here, okay? And the main description, which is this first one, is the one that appears at the bottom part here. So bear that in mind whenever you're setting that. Main description usually is longer than the short. So this is basically, see how simple it is? You see, you can share the product, view product in store, product settings, you can duplicate the product so you can move it to trash also from there. So that is all about products. You can even add a new product from here, click option, add a physical product, but all of that could be done from the back end, so we can add more features to that particular product. This is just to manage your products. And then here is the menu, the settings, and the rest of the things you may need to do. Your update preference, payments, and the WooCommerce admin dashboard. Here you can view your store if you want to open. Then you can also add coupon to your website from here. You can create a new coupon if you want to from this end. You can check on review, inbox, and stuff like that. If there are any persons who review products, you can then approve those reviews from here. You can do as many things from here. Okay, you can get your customers insights. If there are customers already, as you can see, we have customers here. You can get the customers insights or information about the customers, as I'll blur that some of those informations off. Okay. Fine. So now getting to this order area, this is where you see your orders. You see all of these orders are on hold because no one was processed. Okay, few of them was processed. See orders on hold, on hold, on hold. So when a client purchases a product, you get to receive notification. All you need to do is to come in here. If the product have been shipped to the customer, come in here, click on the pen icon on the right side of the on hold, click on it and click on completed. Apply and you are good to go. Okay, so when we go back now, the products have been completed. Okay, if the product is on processing, this is how clients do what we call a shipping tracking. If they want to track the shipping, what process is it? Now you can go in here. If a product is shipped out of your store, you can go in here, click option, and you can click on processing. Okay, or you click on payment made. When it's on hold, when the client make payment and we have not confirmed, but you have confirmed that you want to ship the next day, click on pending payment. If the client haven't made a payment, but if the client have made a payment, you can click on processing. Processing means that the product is now being packaged and all of that. Okay, then when you click on completed, it means that the product have been shipped to the client already. Failed means there is a problem with the product. Maybe the client needs to contact again. Cancel means that the product, possibly a client purchased, they didn't make payment for it, or the product is not available. Okay, so that is what you can do from that end. Here is customer field, paystack fee. This is the cost of this, the paystack charge. That's around 1.5%, I think. Scrolling down, we can see the location the client choose, so that it can be easy for us to actually ship the product to that particular location. Okay, see the total cost of the shipping, the total detail, total analytics of the shipping. Paid, client paid 0 naira because this payment, they didn't make any payment at all. So now, if a client actually, you want to give a client note, maybe a product, there is a delay in the product and the client is tracking their product to see how far the product have gone. Have the products arrived? Have you not arrived? What is the problem? The client is bothered. Instead of messaging you, we have a system we integrate in the store, which is product tracking. I think I have added the link beneath here. Okay, I've not added it. I will be adding the link as soon as possible. Okay, so the product tracking is a page a client can go and see information on whether the product is on processing, this or that. They can also see that from their client account by clicking on this icon from here, or clicking on this and clicking on their account, then go to my account. They can also find that it mustn't be on the footer. It's on their account page also. So in this one that says add customers note, if you add a note here, the client is going to get possibly say your product. Okay, so which means you have now added this note to the client. When a client go to this page, they are going to see the note that you have dropped for them. Possibly next 2 days, the product is now shipping. You can come back here, clear this note, and write that your product is now shipped, and in less than 1 day, the product will be available. So this is how to actually keep clients updated for their product so that they can know exactly where they are or what exactly is going on with their product. Especially this works especially for clients who are having issues for deliveries. If there is a delivery issue or delivery situation, you can update the client directly from here for that specific product type. Okay, view billing information. You see the billing details of the client, their phone number, their email, and all other informations that they needed to get. That's all. You can trash this particular if it is not a real purchase, you can move it to trash directly from here. Okay, and also I forgot to say, you can possibly edit this particular product. Click on edit from the top side and you can see you edit as many information as possible. You can even add new products to the client, but there are features that you can edit. For instance, the client detail and the payments the clients have made. You can't edit those ones, but for the client address, you can edit it by clicking on this top side. In case the client made any mistake in their allocation, you can edit that so that the person taking care of the shipment can actually take it from there. So that's it for the order. Now we go to statistics. Statistics is where you see all of the purchase sales you have made within a certain period. We have not made any sale in the recent time, but we can click on the date as we have. Let's scroll down. Let's see, view store analytics. So we can select option here and we say, okay, so when you come into the store and you are in the store area, you can click on, but normally if there's a sales that day, you will see that sale for that day. For Monday, September 23rd, you will see a sale for that day. But if not, click on view all store insights. Click that option and click on down and say, maybe you want to check all inside for this year. Okay, then click OK. You see, we can now see the revenue we have made during this year. The orders we have made all through this year. Net sale is 534,783 naira. Total sale is this particular amount. Total sale is the total amount you have made. Net sale is including the tax or including the shipping fee. Okay. Now, total order, you can see it from here. We have 100% total order. Average order value, we can see average order value are the orders that occurred, people that came back to purchase the product and stuff like that. Okay. Items sold, you can see all items sold. You can see all report by clicking on this see all report at the bottom part. Sessions, we have 9 views and we have 100% conversion rate. So these are just information. You can click here and also check all orders from yesterday. As you can see, we don't have any order yesterday. So any order we have, you can see order for last week. Click on done. See the order from last week. Click option, see order for the quarter. You can do that from here also. Okay. So that is it for this one. Now, if in case you don't want to manage your content from here, you see the product, you can manage and edit them from here. You can also filter the product based on the product sales status, the period it was published, the pending preview and stuff like that. You can also filter product by the simple variable grouped type of product. The product category, you can say, okay, we want to edit only body care perfumes. We can select on that and show products. We can only see body care perfumes there. You get the point. So, but this one is a general of all of it. We don't need to stress ourselves. You can also search for a specific product from here in case a client reported a product that you have a particular issue, or you want to change a product price instead of you scrolling down through your thousands of products, because the more you scroll down, the more you see more products. Instead of you doing that, you can easily search a product from here and get to that particular product specifically. You can click on this to select multiple products to do a bulk update to those products. Okay, cancel. So that is it for this one. Now, let me show you how to do that from your store itself. When you get into your store, you can manage your inventory directly from your store also. But this is a little bit cranky, but you can see in your dashboard, you can see your sales, your total sales for that session from here. By clicking on the funnel kit, click on dashboard. When you scroll down, you're going to see your sales revenue and how everything is going on from here. People who purchased, you can also find them from this particular angle. Okay. And some other more information you're going to find. So now, the main place you're going to find your orders are from the WooCommerce area. Hover on it, and you're going to see orders from here. Okay, hover on WooCommerce, which is the application we are using currently. That's where this one is just analytics of what's going on. So you see the same thing we see from that place. This one that we marked complete is now completed from here, and other informations as what we need from here. Okay, now if you want to complete an order for a client in WooCommerce in the desktop, hover here, get to order, then you see the client, just click on the I sign here. Once you click on it, you will see this option enabled. What you need to do from here, you click on edit from the bottom part, you take into a new page where you can select whether you want to complete, processing on hold, cancelled, pending payment, and all of those informations you can do from here. The same thing we do from the store in the mobile application is the same thing that we can also do from here. Okay, I just wanted to let you know everything here is still the same thing that we are doing. Every down thing that we can do from that particular application, we can do in this particular page. So for the mobile application, you can actually log into, if you have multiple stores, you can click on drop down option from here and you can create an existing store. Connect an existing store, you do the same process. You know what we did from here, adding the website name and going through the next and next process, and we are good to go. So that you can also be receiving notification based on the sales that has been made in the store. So, okay, let me show you the notifications for stores in case a sale is made in the store. So we are going to go in here and we're going to purchase this product. And we're going to add the product to cart. And from here, we're going to view, okay, we're going to go to checkout immediately. We're going to fill in our information. We scroll down and we select a particular shipping. It's automatically selected this shipping location because of what our location we selected. Direct bank transfer is what we want to make because we want to confirm these sales. Okay, see the order here. We selected only one. Let's just make it 2. And you see the shipping calculator makes it does its thing. This is the shipping calculator. From here, it calculates product based on the weight of the product. So when you scroll down, we click on place order because we want to pay directly to the account. So see what happens here. You want to lock the screen. You see, we have a sale, an order for 4,600. This is this sale. You see the beautiful thank you page. See how beautiful the thank you page looks. Very beautiful. The client can even proceed in making more sales from here and see some other stuff they want from here. Very beautiful and detailed page. Very beautiful and detailed page. Okay, you see the email of the client and some other information from the client also from this angle. You get the point. It's very easy and simple. Now, you see, we have a new order. You can click on this order directly from here. We click on open. Now we see the order. Now we can now decide what we want to do with the order from here. Okay, if we get back to the home page in the analytics, we can be able to refresh this. You can be able to see the order for that particular day. So we see the order for that particular day. We see we made an order and we see the time we made the order and we see the price of the order that we just made. There is a network error. Don't mind that. Okay, so you see it. We now start having analytics for the top performing product apart from the product that is most purchased. So all top performing product, they are up to 5. They will show here. Any top purchasing product that is up to 5, they are all going to be showing in this particular area. So this is just simply it. When a client make a purchase, you see the update immediately. See the update and the purchase the client just made goes in there. Let's just check something very quickly. Let's check on orders. Let's go back to orders. Okay, we see the order from Qatar. We click on it. Okay, now we are going to see the details from this particular order. See the product name, the pay stack, the payment they made, the fee they make for pay stack. Then we're scrolling down. We are going to see some other details. Now, this is very important. I want to point out to you. See the place they say paid 0.00 naira, which means the clients have not actually completed their payment. So when we receive the payment from the client, that is when we can mark this product as processing. We can mark this product as processing. As you can see from here, it says we have accepted your order and we are getting it ready. A confirmation mail have been sent to you at blah blah blah. Now, when you scroll down, we are going to see another email from here that the client should make their payment directly to this particular account number. So when the client come in here, they read to this part, they can make their payment from here. If the payment is not actually confirmed, the clients are not going to receive their products. And I'm going to update this information from here so the clients will know that they have to make a payment from here, because it's not right letting the clients cramp up from this page. So that's a bad user experience. So I'm going to do that very quickly. Okay, so when the clients have made a payment and we have confirmed that the clients have made a payment directly to our bank account, what we need to do is to come here and click the option. For these clients who have just made a payment, click this option and click it on processing, and we can apply. Now the client's payment has been made. Okay, so all we need to do now is refresh. See, this place that says paid 0 naira is now paid and the amount has been marked. So why we do this is somebody can be somewhere managing the inventory for the product purchase, and somebody can be responsible for shipping the product. So when somebody is responsible for shipping the product, if this is marked, somebody can come back here, check the product that have been marked as complete paid, and then the person can now do the rest of the thing from here. So processing means paid. Okay, just get that in mind. Processing means paid for the client, and completed means shipped. Okay, processing means paid, completed means shipped. On hold means what? Unpaid. But if the client paid directly from the store, pay directly from the store. Let me show you that very quickly from the store here. If the client selects a product and the client add to cart, and the client go to checkout, and the client scrolls down, and the client selects a debit payment, which is this one, and they select their Visa card, which is the one they used before, or they add a new Visa card from here. They select whichever one, which is this, select on this. They are going to pay directly in the website. Payment phase using saved card. Reason: email does not match authorized code. Okay, this is not the email we used for this saved card, so we have to use a new card. I understand. I love the way this system works. It makes the client not to make any mistake at all, or not to have any issues at all. You see, now we can make direct payment, and once we make direct payment, the product will be on processing automatically, because the clients have made payment and the payments have been confirmed. You get the point? So we are good to go. So that's all you need to know about your shopping, doing it from your back end or doing it from your mobile application. There is no big deal. If you have any question, you can leave that in the comment section below or chat me privately. For now, my name is Manuel from Qatar Studios. Do have a wonderful day and enjoy the rest of your week.